Hello everyone. In this video we are gonna see how to implement low-pass IIR filter using C6748 processor. Before that, let's see first what is IIR filters. IIR stands for Infinite Impulse Response. It is also called as recursive filters, because the output sampled is linear contribution of some number of previous input and output. The impulse response is infinite, because there is feedback in the filter. The advantage of using these filters is they can achieve given filtering characteristic using less memory and calculation. Now we are going to see about IIR low-pass filter. It passes signal with frequency lower than a selected cutoff frequency and attenuates signal with frequencies higher than the cutoff frequency. Before seeing the implementation, let's see about the hardware connections to view the output. Before that, let's test the probe. For this I am giving FG's positive connection to CRO's positive and FG's negative connection to CRO's negative. We got sine wave here. Now, in processor, we all know that there are 4 ports. First port is ADC. Second port is DAC, and last 2 ports are for ground. For FG, the positive connection is given to ADC channel, negative connection is given to ground. And for CRO, give the positive connection to DAC channel and negative connection to ground. Now let's see what is the procedure in PC to implement this. Firstly, double-click the CC Setup Studio. Go to File menu and click Import. Now select Browse. And give file type as all files. And for file name just type as C6748. Click this and give open. Select OK. Now the C6748 processor board is imported. Then select Save and Quit. Now it will ask whether to start the Code Composer Studio on Exit. Click Yes. Now the Code Composer Studio software is opened. Here go to Project menu and click New. We have to create a new project. Select the target ending with 67XX and for project name, we can give anything we want. I am giving here as IIR pass. After this, select Finish. Next, go to File menu. Select Source File. A new file will be opened. Here only we gonna paste the source program. For that, go to Local folder and open Recovery Image T folder. Here go to VSK6748 Software folder. Then IIR Low Pass folder. Here open the C file for IIR Low Pass. Copy the full program and paste this in the source file. Next, go to File menu and click Save As. Here go to My Projects and open our project folder which we named as IIR Pass. In this, save the source file with an extension .c, that is IIRLpass.c, and click Save. Furthermore, we need to add some files to project. So again, open then Local folder and copy the linker DSP file, VSK6748C file, VSK6748 hours file from the same IIR Low Pass folder, where we copied the source program. Now go to Project menu and click Add File Project. Here give file type as all files and then paste the files. Now along with these 3 files, also select the source file and click open. Next we need to rebuild the program. So go to project menu and click rebuild all. It will display whether our program has any errors or not. Here we got 0 errors. Next go to debug menu and click connect. It shows halted here. That means our target is connected successfully. A disassembly window is also popped up. Now go to file menu and click load the program. Select debug and our file name should be with an extension .out. And click save. Now the program has been loaded. Next go to debug menu and click run option. In FG, set the input voltage as 1 volt and DC offset value to 0. Here our sine wave got clipped. And now, set the initial frequency as 50 Hz. In CRO, to take the peak-to-peak amplitude value, press the XY button at the top. Now we can easily measure the peak value. Adjust the Y position knob to bring the wave to the 0 axis. Now, slightly increase the frequency. As we increases the frequency, the amplitude will be constant for some range, and then decreases. Here, for 200 Hz, we are getting the amplitude value around 1.4 volt. And for 600 Hz also, we are getting amplitude value as 1.4 volt. So between this range, the amplitude of the wave is constant. Then, it starts decreasing. Because for low-pass filter, the gain should be constant for some frequency and then starts decreasing. So, like this, by increasing the frequency, take some values of voltage with corresponding frequency value.